Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading to Moss Rock Preserve, one of Alabama's hidden gems for outdoor enthusiasts. Just a short drive from Birmingham, this preserve offers stunning hiking trails, beautiful waterfalls, and unique rock formations that you won't want to miss. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or just looking for a peaceful escape into nature, Moss Rock Preserve has something for everyone. Let's dive in. Moss Rock Preserve is located in Hoover, Alabama, and spans over 350 acres of natural beauty. It's known for its diverse landscapes, including hardwood forests, boulder fields, and serene creeks. The preserve is also home to unique rock formations and seasonal waterfalls, making it a favorite spot for hikers, climbers, and nature lovers. Fun fact: Moss Rock Preserve was established to protect the area's natural ecosystems and provide a space for the community to enjoy the outdoors. Now let's hit the trails. Moss Rock Preserve has a variety of trails to explore, ranging from easy walks to more challenging hikes. One of the most popular trails is the Boulder Field Trail, which takes you through a stunning landscape of massive rocks and crevices. If you're looking for something more relaxing, the Waterfall Trail is a must-see, especially after a good rain when the waterfalls are flowing. Don't forget to bring your camera because every turn offers a new photo opportunity. For me, the highlight of today's hike was definitely the waterfall. Sitting by the water, listening to the sounds of nature, it's the perfect way to unwind. I also loved climbing some of the smaller rock formations. It's like a natural playground. Of course, hiking can be challenging at times, especially on the steeper trails, but the views are always worth it. What's your favorite part of hiking? Let me know in the comments. Before you head out to Moss Rock Preserve, here are a few tips to make your visit even better. First, wear sturdy hiking shoes. The trails can be rocky and uneven. Second, bring plenty of water and snacks, especially if you're planning a longer hike. Third, arrive early to secure parking, as the preserve can get busy on weekends. And finally, remember to leave no trace. Pack out everything you bring in to help keep this beautiful place pristine for everyone. That's it for our adventure at Moss Rock Preserve. From the breathtaking waterfalls to the unique rock formations, this place truly has it all. If you're looking for a fun and rewarding outdoor experience, I highly recommend adding Moss Rock Preserve to your list. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next trail.